Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig-rated Rams, and now we buy a Ram. Just wanted to show you the newest truck on our lot. It's a 2015 GMC SIERRA 2500 Denali, so let's take a peek. So under the hood, you are going to have your 6.6 liter diesel engine. Chrome grille on this one with color match bumpers. You do have a light bar in it as well and some park sensors. Also fog lights on it. This truck also has a BDS lift with fender flares, 35-inch Duratrax and fuel rims, tow mirrors, and some kickback flaps with running boards as well. And it is the crew cab with the 6.6 box. All the way back here, you're going to have a backup camera, color matched rear bumper. You got hitch and all your wiring. Little steps on either side for getting in and out easier. And of course a spray and box liner, but other than that, we're gonna hop inside the truck and check that out. So inside the truck, it is gonna be fully loaded. You do have full leather seats with the Denali stitching on the headrest there. And then all the way down on the floor there, you are gonna have really nice floor mats. Dual glove lock box, you got the locking one up top here, and just another one down at the bottom with the owner's manual. You also have a touch screen in this truck and the Bose sound system. You can set up Sirius XM if you want and save all your favorites down there. It has nav as well, and of course you can Bluetooth any phones to this truck. Dual climate control, just by using these little dials on either side, and you also have a CD player. Heated and cooled seat buttons are going to be right there on either side. Adjustable pedals, lane departure, button for your park sensors, all that good stuff. Even more plugins hidden under these little guys here. And a little space to place your phone so it's not sliding all over the place. More storage underneath and cup holders. Then down in here, you're going to have extra plugins. It does come with the speedometer calibrator. And then you also have cruise control, forward collision warning, all that good stuff, and of course heated steering wheel. You can set up OnStar if you want. It's pretty easy. You just call on in there and they'll set it up for you. Up top, you're going to have a sunglasses holder and all the buttons for your sunroof there with some interior lighting too. And if you don't want the sunroof, you can just shut this little shade there. But other than that, we'll hop into the back seat and check that out. So in the back seat, since it is a crew cab, you're still going to have a whole bunch of room for your passengers. Again, same floor mats as the front. They're nice and fitted to keep everything clean. You have a little bit of storage in behind the center console with another plug-in, and of course storage in behind the seats. Then if you fold up these seats, just opens up a larger area there. More interior lighting in the back as well. And of course your rear sliding window. This one is heated as well, which is really nice for in the winter time. You are also going to have your cup holders right there. So if you want to make this truck yours, you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.